Hey guys, this is Julie from Crafty Beach on YouTube, and I have a quick, easy Dollar Tree DIY. We're going to take one of their tinted glass vases they have right now and combine it with a solar light to make a really beautiful outdoor solar light. So I thought it would be really pretty to put some greenery in there. I also got this greenery at Dollar Tree. I'm just going to go ahead and pull off like 3 of these tropical looking leaves. And I wanted to put a little bedding in there too to kind of make it look like a forest floor. So I put a little bit of the brown floral moss from Dollar Tree in the bottom as well. And then just kind of set those in there and arrange them. I found that a skewer was really good for kind of getting in there where you really can't get your fingers. And then once I have that, I'm going to combine it with the solar light top of one of the brass solar lights from the Dollar Tree. I thought that brownish color would look great with the green glass. I used some Gorilla Glue Clear Grip to glue that on. So easy to do, and wait till you see it lit up. It's so pretty at night, and it goes great with all of your outdoor decor. If you'd like more Dollar Tree DIYs, be sure to check out my YouTube channel at Crafty Beach or visit my website at craftybeach.net. Happy crafting!